Hey, what's going on, y'all? Just thought I'd check in real quick, let y'all know how things are going. So one thing that has really been on my mind lately is how I am sometimes triggered to get into the market for the wrong reasons. Like, it's the drama that gets me in there sometimes. Just the fact that the market is selling off, I want to jump in and go long. Just because it's high risk and generates a lot of dopamine, which I lack due to my ADHD ness, which I know I've had for a while, but I didn't realize how much it's impacting my decision making, and how much it impacts my flow in the market. So when the market has been selling off recently, there hasn't been a bounce, and it hasn't been working as well. So that's why I think the last couple weeks ago, I was blowing accounts, and then I decided, okay, let's go back to square one, see what I'm doing. And it came to this realization when I observed my thoughts and my feelings. I'm like, whoa, so I'm starting to address that. Really take the ADHD-ness of myself seriously. Not just see it as, oh yeah, I got ADHD, whatever, I live through it, but I'm seeing how it impacts me on an everyday level. But with that, I thought I'd just go over one quick trade. And the one pattern I've been noticing that has been working pretty well lately is when the market is in a downtrending channel. Let's say it shot up a little bit, but now it's been going, makes a high, makes a low, makes a lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. I draw my trend channels, and I see when it starts hitting close to the bottom of that channel. That's a potential place for me to get in for a little bounce. It goes along with my need for a dopamine rush, and also it's pretty high win rate, especially if it crosses over with the VWAP or 200 moving average or something like that. Like, let's say it dives into there. And usually what's best is when it's a big candle at the start of a new 5 minute. So at the start of a new 5 minute, big 1 minute down. Let's say the first 30 seconds, that 1 minute candle is the size of the previous 5 minute candle. And keep in mind, the last few 5 minute candles have to all be red. So then people are just selling into this, and it's at the bottom of the channel. And, and it's, let's say it's coinciding with VWAP or 200 moving average, long there. And usually by the end of the first minute, it's going to be significant gain. Now, whether I don't necessarily hold all the way to the top of the channel like I wish I did, but here's an example. I'll just pop it on the screen real quick of something I did. I went in right there, and I got out right there. It's very simple. Little strategy that's been working for me lately. It's much better than trying to get in, much better than trying to play a breakout from these channels, which happens, but usually these breakouts are short-lived and they come with a bigger slam later, at least as of late. So that's all for now. Thank y'all for tuning in. Have a great day.